Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can go ahead and check our reports related to the product. So first of all you need to click on browse module and you need to go in reports and intelligence. Once you will come in report and intelligence, you need to select the product and services. So please check once you will go to the product and services, it will provide you all the reports related to the inventory. So the very first is product price and inventory report. It provides you the list of entire product which is added on TranZact along with the stock, along with the store or any custom field added along with the pricing as well. So you can make the selection in the filter like the product type all, as on date, till what date you want the stock, you want the product related report. Then after default price, average FIFO, you can very well select stock check. You can go ahead and select less than minimum stock level, greater than maximum stock level. And then after you need to click on generate report in order to go ahead and check the entire data. So now system will provide me all the list of my items which are added in my inventory along with multiple columns. You can very well go ahead and switch the columns, make the changes in column and can check the data. Also, we do have a group data option by which you can go ahead and group the entire details. Let me show you how. So suppose this is the item ID. So as per item ID, I went ahead and generated a group by report. So please check. Here is the reject stock, stock in store, stock value, and how much count is there. So this is how you can go ahead and check the reports related to the product. There are other reports as well, like your stock movement register, stock adjustment, stock transfer, product aging report, issuance report, rejection report. So these all reports will be very much helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the report as per the product. I hope have a good day ahead.